Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best blue chair with an ottoman on the market, the MAXYOYO accent chair with ottoman. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and versatile seating option for your living room, reading nook, or bedroom, this chair might just be the perfect fit for you. Right out of the gate, this chair impresses with its rich navy color that adds a sophisticated pop of color without overwhelming your space. The tufted design on the backrest gives it a touch of elegance and a classic look that complements modern decor effortlessly. But this chair is more than just looks, it's designed with comfort in mind. The adjustable backrest lets you find your ideal seating position whether you're reading, relaxing, or even taking a quick nap. This flexibility really sets it apart from typical lounge chairs. The accompanying ottoman is a great addition, providing a perfect spot to stretch out your legs and unwind. You can also use the ottoman as extra seating or simply as a stylish accent piece to enhance the room's overall aesthetic. The ottoman's dimensions are well matched to the chair, ensuring both pieces look cohesive and balanced. When it comes to materials, the MAXYOYO chair is upholstered in a corded fabric that feels soft to the touch but is durable enough to withstand everyday use. The cushion is thick and plush, filled with foam that provides support without feeling too firm. The frame is constructed from a combination of solid wood and metal, creating a sturdy base that promises longevity and stability. Despite its robust build, the chair maintains a sleek profile with tapered wooden legs that add a subtle mid-century modern flair. Measuring 25.6 inches in width and depth, and standing 17.7 inches high, it's sized just right to fit comfortably in a variety of spaces without overwhelming them. The lightweight design, weighing just over 40 pounds, makes it easy to move around when you want to change your room layout or freshen up your space. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and all necessary tools included in the package. The wooden bases for both the chair and the ottoman are made from FSC-certified wood, reflecting a commitment to sustainability. That's a nice bonus if you're conscious about environmentally friendly products. Overall, the MAXYOYO accent chair with ottoman combines style, comfort, and practicality in a way that makes it a standout piece. Whether you're curling up with a book, watching your favorite show, or just looking to add a cozy corner to your home, this chair offers versatility and quality. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a chair that blends classic design with modern comfort, the MAXYOYO Navy accent chair with ottoman is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.